So we're in the living room today because we finished pretty much all of our Christmas shopping, so that means it is the time of Vlogmas where we spend the day wrapping presents. So I have a whole pile of stuff over here. I set up the wrapping station on the dining room table because, girl, I'm old and back pain. Wrapping on the ground ain't doing it. And we got a cat in a bag, so that's good. We're on brand. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap all the lovely gifts I have over here so we can get that all said and done. Let's go. So yeah, this is the pile of presents for our family. That's a cat eating a bag. That's a cat hiding under a blanket. Yes. Okay, so this is everything that I need to wrap. Over here I have everything set up on the table. I got all my wrapping paper, bags, tissue paper, name tags, everything. So we're gonna go ahead and just wrap all this stuff over here. Now before we start this video, if any of you know me, family, friends, husbands, don't watch this video or you'll ruin the magic of Christmas. And then you'll make Santa mad. And Santa will not bring you presents next year. So, be a good egg. And don't spoil Christmas. Thank you. This message has been approved by Hooked and Hemmed. I got these for my husband. They're some Spider-Man socks. Naturally, I'm wrapping my husband's presents in Spider-Man wrapping paper. Because why not? So, let's do this. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. These are for Kevin's sister. I don't think anyone I know watches these videos, so hopefully they're not watching. I'm just gonna use this leftover Spider-Man wrapping paper because it's here. So, whatever. No clue why I grabbed such a giant tag for this, but oh well. So like, I used to love to wrap presents so much prettier. Like, this is rough for me, but I used to like to wrap presents so pretty with like ribbons and bows and stuff, and just like, I can't be bothered now because my cats just chew the ribbons off. So we have basic wrapping paper this year. This gift is for my dad. I got him a shirt. My mom wanted a rug for the kitchen, so I got her this little like kitchen rug. I don't have like a ton of boxes, so this one's going in this bag. I don't think bags are as fun, but it's what we got. Gator. Oh, blah blah. So my husband's mom always wraps my gifts in like the weirdest boxes. So I'm gonna wrap this. We got her this. I'm gonna wrap it in a soda can box because that seems funny. I'm just gonna put it, I'm gonna wrap it in tissue paper just so it doesn't like jiggle around in there. I ran out of gift boxes, so we're getting very creative now with the reusing of the boxes. I just think it's funny because this is how Kevin's mom wraps my gifts, so, you know, just how she's getting hers. Not me raiding my kitchen for more boxes. I'm gonna be the biggest troll this season. Painter, you're in the way. I have absolutely no idea how to wrap this at all. Honestly, if I received this, I would probably have no idea what it is. I don't know. Like, how do you wrap this? They don't make boxes like this big. It works, I don't know. So I just finished wrapping everything for my family. Now I'm gonna wrap what I got for this Operation Santa thing. So I made a little green dinosaur because the letter said they like the color green and their favorite animals are dinosaurs. It also said that this little girl likes Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, so I got a coloring book and a little sticker book. And I also got a box of Crayola crayons for the coloring book. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these up, and hopefully I can find a shipping box to put these all in and ship them out. But yeah, we're going to wrap these. So I'm going to wrap the little crayon box first separately. I figure I'm just going to wrap everything because, you know, then you'll like have, I don't know, a variety of things to open. And that's fun. So yeah. I don't have a bag, like, I don't have a box that'll really fit my little dino guy here, so I'm just going to use one of my shipping boxes. It works the best for these little guys. It's a little extra, but I don't have anything that's going to be, like, wide enough for that, so it's fine. Crap out of the cat. Alright, we'll just put a dino guy in there. I don't know if this is a boy or a girl, but it kind of looks like it had a girl name, but it's like a lot of boy toys, so I don't really know, but it's fine. My sister used to play with a bunch of boy toys, so who knows. Alright, those are the last of the presents I had to wrap. And these got bows because hopefully this person doesn't have cats that'll eat them. But yeah, so I have to ship those out. I think I have a big enough shipping box for those, and I'll take them to the post office tomorrow or something, so we'll do that. But yeah, that was for this, like, I just saw like this Operation Santa thing going around on Facebook, and a lot of people were just sharing it like a few weeks ago, and you can go on there and like read kids' letters and like adopt a kid and send them presents for Christmas, and I thought that was a cute idea. I don't know, it was fun getting like kid things and saying to Santa and just like keeping the magic of Christmas alive, you know? I don't know. I can't wait to have kids one day and play Santa. I think it'll be so fun. Yeah, it's just so cute. And I feel bad for all the kids that were like writing letters and they don't get presents. That's so sad to me. So I don't know, I was like crying reading through half these letters because like some kids were like asking for a bed. Like a bed. I don't know, it was so sad. But yeah, I'm excited that I got some little fun things to send off to somebody for Christmas. So yeah, I hope to actually get to this person because I don't think there's a way to track them, because the way it works is I just give it to the post office with a QR code. That way like we don't know each other's addresses and it's not like creepy or anything. So yeah, hopefully they get to where they're supposed to be. All of my presents are now wrapped and under the tree for our family and Kevin and everything. We got a little baby following me around. But yep, all ready to go. Do I look bold? What was I gonna say? But yeah, I'm still waiting for a few more gifts to come in the mail, so I'll probably wrap those throughout the week, whenever they get here. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed wrapping presents with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye.